I will be his voice as he lost his to ALS. A year since the Ice Bucket Challenge. The nightmare of ALS continues. However, in some places in the world, patients are able to try safe but unproven treatments. And some are recovering. So there is hope. We wait for the day when patients everywhere can try the clinical trials to prove that ALS can be cured.
Let's eliminate the words incurable disease.